Good morning, students. So today we'll come to discuss on the features of editing. In the last class, we have studied on the meaning of editing, and later on I told that there are many definitions on the editing. So based on the say definitions, we can draw many features on the editing. First, we'll study the first feature of auditing. So it is a systematic and scientific examination of books of accounts and financial statements. So systematic indicates here that the planned manner, step by step. So how the accounting work, okay, it uh, goes in a systematic manner. Say first passing the entries, journal entries in the journal books, then later on, then making the entry in the ledger account, then preparation of the trial balance, trading and profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So how it runs in a systematic way. So here also in editing, each and every process it runs in a very systematic manner. So by applying the scientific knowledge, so that is also most important, scientific. So that is why it is used with the wording that the systematic and scientific. So for which the editor he makes the edit planning, then he prepares the edit program, and in a planned manner. Okay, so each and every aspect of the editing it runs very systematically. Then second feature is it involves inspecting, checking, verification, and scrutiny of the vouchers. Scrutiny of the vouchers. So in inspecting here involves that is looking closely, because here each and every entry, so that is made in the books of account, it is supported either by the vouchers, bills, receipts. So like that, it is supported. Okay, for each and every there are the documentary evidences. So verifying say each and every the say documents is the most important. That is why so the wordings like here inspecting, checking, verification, then scrutiny, it is most important here. Inspecting here it involves that is looking closely. Checking it involves testing the accuracy. Verification it involves examination. Then scrutiny it involves the detailed examination. So we'll go for the next point, that the verification of assets and liabilities. Verification of the assets and liabilities. So the assets that is exhibited in the balance sheet, liabilities that is exhibited in the balance sheet. So whether actually it is there or not, whether physically it is there or not. Okay, whatever recorded item, it is there or not in the balance sheet. So from that angle, it should be verified. So I will give you one example, that is building. Building, suppose it is shown in the balance sheet. Okay, so worth rupees around 5 lakh rupees. Okay, so physical verification of the building, that's the most important. Okay, so with the documentary evidences. So later on in the coming chapter, we will discuss on more on such matters. Then prepared by the others. As already I have told you that books of account, financial information, it is prepared by the others. Okay, in the business or nation, it is prepared by the accountants. Okay, so that is why here used with the wording that the prepared by the others. Okay, usually the bookkeepers, accountants, so they prepare say the books of account. Then by an independent qualified person, verification, so or the examination of the books of account by an independent say qualified person. So it is done by the auditor. Auditor is a qualified person. Okay, he examines the books of account that is prepared by the others. Next, on the basis of documentary evidences, on the basis of the documentary evidences. So whatever that the entries, that the entries made in the books of account, as already told you that it is supported by the documentary evidences. Say for example, bills, receipts. Okay. These are the good examples, invoices. Okay. So these are all called the documentary evidences. So from that should be here verified. Then seventh feature is that the editing is done, made throughout the year. It is made throughout the year or periodically. So in the one type of the editing, that is in the continuous editing we are going to study. That is editing. It is done throughout the year. Throughout the year means along with the accounting work. So editing work also it runs here in the type of the continuous edit. Periodically, okay, once in a year or at the end of the year, especially at the end of the year, after the closure of the financial year. Okay, so making the verification, that is periodically. So either that is say throughout the year or periodically. Audit examination work it runs. Then eighth one is ascertainment of that the authenticity and accuracy of the financial information. Authenticity, so it means here truth, reality. Then accuracy, it indicates correct. So whatever journal entries, okay, it is recorded in the books of account. First of all, it should be true. It should be real. Okay, for the fake entry, there is no scope at all in the books of account. So it should be true, real, and most important, it should be correct. Okay, so from that angle, it is used here the wording that the authenticity and accuracy. Then later on, we'll go on to the next point, expression of opinion. So expression of opinion about the truth and fairness of the financial statements by an editor. So editor finally he expresses his opinion whether the books of account it is maintained, it is true and fair or not. Okay, so that he gives in his audit report. Okay, so what is audit report? We are again going to study in the coming chapter. Okay, there we will discuss in more detail. And finally, the last point is that the auditing it applies to business as well as to the non-business concerns. So business means that the profit-oriented concerns. Then non-business concerns, service-oriented. So like your trust, okay, uh, that can be taken as the one of the good example. So whichever type of the organization it may be, okay. So there is the concept of the auditing. So auditing of the books of account. So it is done in each and every type of organization. So thank you. So again, we'll meet you in the next class with the another concept. Thank you.